Itzel, since you're a helper this week, will you kind of read the vocabulary word to me? Will you just help us say liquid volume and then read the second line and tell us what liquid volume is?
Liquid volume. Liquid volume is the amount of space that a liquid takes up.
So you guys, how might we find out for sure which container holds the largest amount of liquid? Jace Lomax, what do you think you would do to figure out? Is it the bowl or this jar? Which one holds the largest liquid volume?
The bowl.
Why do you think the bowl, Jace?
It's full and the cup has bubble water.
Ah, it has more in it. How many of you guys agree? Show me what your little agrees with Jace Lomax. Do you think it's the bowl?
I think
You do think that. Put a hand up if you think it's the jar.
I agree about the egg. That thing is powered up like a freaking car.
Sorry. Jace. All right, Jace Thacker, tell me what you were thinking.
I agree about the answer, but I disagree about the reason.
Tell me more.
You know, the jar has like a littler white span, while the bowl has a bigger white span.
You think like how big around it is, like this?
So if you put it in a jar, it will go taller.
So which one do you think will hold the most liquid? You're thinking bowl still because it's wider?
Yeah, but I was thinking of a different reason.
Okay, perfect. Thanks for sharing. It's always great to hear more than one reason. Let's see. Selena, what do you think we can do to find out for sure which container holds the largest amount of liquid?
Personally, me, I would drink it.
And how would that help you see which one held more?
If one took longer to drink than the other one, then I would know.
All right, you could time yourself drinking it. Adir, what would you do to figure out which one holds the largest amount of liquid?
What I would do is I would literally drop the whole liquid in the floor and see which one takes some more time.
Which one's heavier to hit the ground? Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah.
All right.
Or what I will also do is I would get a measuring tape and put it inside like a stick to see which one's bigger. It's like if you put a stick on water, it turns like a more brighter brown, and that's how I would know.
So which one was deeper? You would check.
Yeah.
Those are great ideas, you guys. All right, we're gonna watch a little video about liters and milliliters, and then I'm gonna ask you guys to get up and try to find something in your house that holds a liquid volume of about a liter. Okay? Wait till after the video. I'll give you time. After the just kidding. All right, here's another brain pop, you guys.
I'm doing a science experiment. It says here I need 1 liter of water and 3 milliliters of food coloring. What is volume? Volume is the amount of space something takes up. It describes how much a container can hold. Measuring cups, measuring spoons, beakers, droppers, and graduated cylinders are all tools we use to measure volume. It's important to measure volume carefully when we cook, or when we do science experiments. Otherwise, our projects might not turn out as we planned. We measure volume in units like cups, pints, quarts, or gallons. We also measure in units like milliliters and liters. What are milliliters? A milliliter is a small unit of volume. 1 milliliter of water won't even fill a small spoon. The abbreviation for milliliter is ml. That carton has 236 milliliters of milk. This can has 355 milliliters of soda. And this bottle has 500 milliliters of water. What else is measured in milliliters? Oh, right. This bottle has 400 milliliters of shampoo. Some medicines are measured in milliliters. This is because we only need to take a small amount. Sometimes you want to measure larger volumes. What are liters? No, not that kind of liter, Moby. I mean liter, as in the measurement of volume. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So that means about 1,000 drops of water make up 1 liter. The abbreviation for liter is L. It's best to use liters to measure larger volumes. This pitcher holds 1 liter of lemonade. It's equal to about 4 glasses. This bottle holds 1 liter.
So be thinking about what in your house.
That bottle holds 2 liters of soda. When you need to measure larger amounts, you should use liters. How do you measure volume? For my science experiment, I need 1 liter of water and 3 milliliters of food coloring. I'm going to use a measuring cup to measure the water. When you measure the volume of a liquid, the surface will curve. Look at where the bottom of the curve lines up with the numbers on the measuring cup. Now I need 3 milliliters of food coloring. You can use a dropper to measure milliliters. Remember, look at where the bottom of the curve lines up with the numbers.
We're taking medicine with a dropper.
It looks like I need a little more.
Like Tylenol or ibuprofen.
Perfect.
This is what it might be measured in, is
My
milliliters.
experiment is about how water travels through a plant. So I'm putting this celery in the red water to see how the water moves. Wow, check out the celery, Moby. Wow, how did you do that, Moby?
Oh, Moby. Alright.
That's not men out here. What are you doing in the office, man?
No more stickies, Jeremy.
Acrobat.
Shouldn't he be broken?
Okay, there we go. I know. The robot probably shouldn't be in the liquid, huh? All right, Millie and Jay, I'm glad you guys are here. We're introducing something brand new today. Let me turn the camera back on. And I'm going to ask you guys to take about a minute and go run around your house and try to find something that holds liquid volume that is specifically close to a liter. So sometimes you guys will see liters marked on there, or sometimes milliliters. So ML stands for milliliters. Remember they said there are 1,000 milliliters in a liter. If you see OZ, that's what we standard American measurement is ounces, and sometimes you'll see that on there too. So you guys go ahead and get up right now. Maya, try to find something in your house. I'm going to share a couple examples that I found too. Maybe in your fridge, maybe in your pantry. That you can just Yes, that's about a liter. Do you think it's about a liter? Okay. You can check your measurements. You can ask quickly. And once you have found something, J Slomax, I'm going to model it too. Put your hand up, okay? And keep it up. Josiah, do you have something you could show us? Nice. Out of here, I like how you made that connection to, like the lemonade thing. Oh, do you have measurements on there even? Super cool. Can you put your hand up out of here? That's awesome. Be ready to share, okay? Let's do like 30 more seconds and then we'll share. What'd you guys find that takes up about 1 liter? And you know what I think we might do? I don't have it on here, huh? Sorry, I'm just gonna cruise through for a second. I'm gonna make a chart on this, you guys, for a liter. And I'm gonna say, what are things that are let's say, less than a liter, about exactly 1 liter. L is how we abbreviate liter. And then things that are more than a liter that you guys found. Let's chart them, okay? All right, if your hand is up, I still have some friends gone, but we can start with you guys. Will you show us what you have? And then if your hand goes down, like I keep putting mine up, just put it back up so I'm sure to call on you. Can we start with you, Junior? What'd you find? Did you find something, Junior?
Yeah, this.
What'd you find? Okay, show us that.
No.
Hold it just a little higher. Yeah. Okay, what is that, Junior?
A medicine
A
bottle.
medicine thing. And so, Junior, do you see the measurement on there? I love that. What would we say? Like a medicine cap? Is that kind of what we call it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so, Junior, on your medicine cap, what is it measuring by? Do you see a symbol? I'm going to guess.
ml.
Very good. So, Junior found it. A medicine cap. And Junior, because it measures in milliliters, I'm going to put it over here in less than. Do you see that? Do you remember what I said, Junior? How many milliliters, ml, there are in a liter? It's okay if you don't. We just learned it. Do you remember?
What have I done?
I'll write it down if you don't. So there are, you guys, 1,000. Remember they said drops because a milliliter is like a drop. There are 1,000 ml in 1 L, 1 liter. So I'm going to put that, Junior, in less than. That was a great example, though, of something that we measure that has less than. All right, Isais, what'd you find?
Get into my one.
I found this